Let's start with these casting exercises. So this is the extra. Oh my god, what's going on? This is the exercise. We have a program that declares a variable of type double and then converts it to a variable of type int. Print the value of the int variable. Let's start declaring a variable double number, and let's assign it a value. Number equals, it's a double, so I can like put it. Okay, so this is another warning. The variable number is assigned by its value. It's never used. Console.writeLine number. Let's see if the decimal is displayed or I did something wrong. Okay, it's displayed. So in order to convert it, we're gonna declare another variable, type in. So we got our number 2, and its value will be number 2 equals, into parentheses, int number. This is a implicit cast, which we are going to say that number, which is a double, is going to be converted to int. And previously we are saying that number 2 is going to take this value here, which without the cast would be 12.5, and if I build a solution here, if I compile it, Visual Studio, the prompt will tell me that there's an error because an int cannot read this value, as there's this decimal. The integer will not read anything beyond the unit, so the unit here will be 2. In order to do that, as the exercise tells us to do, is to cut anything after the unit. So how we can do this? We can declare a variable type integer and then assign the value of this variable. So in the end, the result, so as you can see, the result will be 12.5. If we want to display the type of number, we will get, I missed the parentheses. Okay, now we correctly called the function, because let's say what the warning is returning. Returns the exact runtime type of the current instance. So it doesn't return the data type of the variable, but it returns the exact runtime type of the instance, which, as we see, it's a function, parentheses, and we run it again. System.double. If I want to get the type of number 2, which is an int, it will be system.int. if we display number 2, we'll get 12. If we forget to put in the cast, it already tells me cannot implicitly convert type double to int, so I cannot even run it. Write a program that declares a string variable and converts it to an int variable using the convert.toInt method, and print the value of the int variable. But we gotta be really careful about this. Maybe I'll just clean up everything. As far as the exercises are easy, I don't need to maintain. When we will like level up and we'll see harder exercises, I think I will keep them so I can also remember those. But for now, this exercise needs, like, I didn't do a lot of practice about this, so it's better to review even these little exercises. Let's declare first of all the string. I will call it hello. I will call it, and I will not assign the value. Now I'm assigning the value to the string named hello. And I will decapitalize that because usually the string name are not capitalized at all. String hello mean hello world. And the warning will tell me that variable is assigned but it's never used. But don't worry, we're gonna use it now. We want to convert this string to an int, but if we do so, it's never gonna let me happen. Convert to the int hello. I think we will get an unhandled exception. Let's see. There it is. It's saying the input string in hello word was not in a correct format. The format means it's not a number, it's a word. To prevent this to happen, we just simply change the string to a number, like 13. So in this case, the convert class will go to hello and try to convert this. And this string is a number, which is not an int or anything else about that. It's a string, so it's a word. A word 13 is not a number, but it is able to convert it because it recognizes that inside this quotes, inside this string, there's a number. So if we run the program again, it will successfully display the number 13.